वाहिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः।
Today's rest. So, just reminding you how this retreat takes place. Okay. First, I was told there is a Vyakata. Vyakata contains the Kshetra, that is the event matter, Kshetrajna, the Jiva, and also the activity in both of them. Everything it contains. Now, first, this Samatya is really belonging to the Brahman only. But for the sake of teaching, you treat it as though it is different. Okay? Treat it as different, is it? It is not different, but I am treating it as different. This is called Adhyaropa. Understand very clearly. Actually, the only Adhyaropa is this. Many times people say, this Jagat is an Adhyaropa on Brahma. It is utterly wrong. Okay, completely wrong. Because if you want to do Adhyasa, if you are doing Adhyasa, see what are the conditions. The conditions are, I know there is something there, but I don't know what it is. I told you this is vague knowledge. Okay? Then, because of its similarity, sadrisham, I remember a snake. Then I say, I am seeing the snake. But actually it's a rope. Is it clear? No. This is called Adhyasa. What is happening is, there you don't have snake. But I am putting the snake on the rope. This is Adhyasa. This is not Adhyaropa. Be very careful. Adhyaropa is done by Shastra, which knows that this is already, this is Rajju only. This is Rajju. Not that it is not Rajju. Rajju only. But it looks like a serpent. Okay? Therefore, be very clear about Adhyasa and Adhyaropa difference. Suppose you say Adhyasa, Adhyaropa, is this itself Adhyasa? Then you can't do Adhyasa. Because Adhyasa implies that you have vague knowledge of the Adhirthana, and also you know the Adhyasta, that is the Sarva. Is it clear? Now you that comes into your name. Therefore, you say it is. Therefore, what are the two conditions absolutely necessary for Adhyasa? Vague knowledge of the Adhirthana and Sadrishya similarity with the Adhyasta. Clear? Suppose you say Jagat is Adhyasta Brahman, what does it mean? You must have a vague knowledge of Brahman. There must also be similarity between Jagat and Brahman. Only then it will be possible. Is it or is it not? See, I have absolutely the worst of knowledge of what Brahman is. There is no vague knowledge at all. I don't know it at all. And absolutely there is no singularity. That is Satyam Jnanantam, this is Asatyam Jadam Parichinam. Opposite actually. Therefore, how is it possible to do Adhyasa? It is ridiculously wrong. No. And he points out, there need not be singularity. There need not be a great knowledge also. They will destroy it. See, people become so adamant. Vedanta is not a cult. Okay. It is something to be understood clearly. Oh, they have taught, no, therefore we must believe it. It's nonsense. Shankaracharya didn't speak like that. If Shankaracharya had spoken like that, he would not be surviving for such a long time. Have you understood? Therefore, Adhyasa is ruled out. Then, in place of Adhyasa, you say Adhyaropa. What is it in Adhyaropa? Actually, according to Shastra, Jagat is Brahma itself. But when he say that is its Samantya Abhyakam is also Brahma. But when I want to explain creation, I treat it as though it is different. That's Samantya. Now, why does Shastra do it? That also follow carefully. Because Brahman, I have no idea of. Oh, it is, they have to make me understand it. No, they have to make me understand it. So very different. So, but I am accustomed to this difference. I am accustomed to this creation, this difference. Therefore, Shastra uses my psychology, my language of difference. Is it becoming clear? So, what is my psychology? Difference. Okay. Nothing else. I simply say, if something is there, because if something is there, now he becomes Ishvara. Now Ishvara does it, you say, it's very good, very good. I say, because I understood it. Therefore, in order to make me understand it, it does this difference and calls this Samantya as Upadhi of Brahma. With this Upadhi, he becomes Ishvara. Is it right? No. From Avyakrita, first emerges Aparaprati, Aparaprati. Afterwards emerges Aparaprati. Aparaprati consists of 8 things, Ashtavida. The seed of Manas, Ahankara. The seed of intelligence, Mahat. And the Panchatanmatras. And it has got its own. That's got a box, something like that. Therefore, these are Ashtavida. Therefore, what is happening? First, Aparaprati from Mahat, then Ahankara, then Tanmatra. What is the pramana for this? In Bhagavad Gita, 13.5 shloka. They make it a point. Whenever you tell one statement, with the pramana, I am not talking at all. Shankaracharya is telling. I have tried this. Nobody says I have not understood. I have tried all over the country. You just say what Shankaracharya says. Nobody else says I don't understand. Okay. Now, what happened is, from this, now these are all Prakriti. From Mahat emerges Buddhi. And from Ahankara emerges Manas. The two are the Karanas. Karanas, you know, Indriya, like this, instruments. These two belong to Hiranyagarbha with the Jiva. But he is an extraordinary Jiva. He had done tapasya for this, to occupy this position. So he is one. He is very pure and his tapasya is very intense. Now, what he does is, he thinks, he remembers what is to be done. Surya Chandravaso Dhata Yatha Purvam Kalpaya Yatha Purvam, previously as it was, is getting now. Yatha Purvam. Okay. So he remembers, because Yatha Purvam, there at that time, there was also some moon or this thing. He remembered all these things have to come out. Therefore, what is it I have to do? He thinks of these things and accordingly he decides his buddhi. And the decision is there enough. The decision which interacts with tanmatras.
This Ishvara is having all the features of Brahman.
Ishvara?
It's having all the features of Brahman.
Who?
Ishvara.
Ishvara. Ishvara is Brahman itself. We are giving it a different name. Just as remember this.
Yes.
It is, Bangle is there. Bangle I am calling, which is good itself. I am giving an example of this. In other words, gold with Akaram is called Bangle. Similarly, Brahman with Samarthya is called
But this Ishvara has all the activities.
You see, Bangle has activity.
Yeah.
It bends, it breaks, it is produced, it is lost. Activity is there on that. So the Ishvara is also having. Suppose that. But the Ishvara doesn't die. No, it's always there. Look at the God. I understood that. I think you understood the spirit. See, in one and the same place, because it is given in the same place only, Jagat is one, which is Brahman. But it is with shapes and all that. Clear? Therefore, if I look at it only from the Indriyas, there is so many activities, that's also. If I look at it from the point of the cause, the same thing, it's only one. Understood? That is, with Vikara, in relation to Vikara, Brahman appears like Jagat. I think it's clear?
Yes.
Just as in relation to the shape, gold appears as a bangle. Therefore, no, it's very crystal clear. There's only one. But in order to teach me gold, what does it do? It does difference. It has to bring in another name, bangle. So it has to bring in the name of Ishvara. From my side. Now I won't talk about Ishvara. I don't talk about Brahma. Because with Ishvara's grace, what happens is, then Brahma is born. Brahma is born. Then he interacts with the mantras and produces the Panchamahabhutas. What are the features? Previously it was only Shabda Tanmatra. Now it's activated. It becomes Akasha. Now, then he activates Sparsha Tanmatra. So, what is, because it's inside Shabda Tanmatra, it acquires two properties, Shabda and Sparsha. It becomes Vayu. Then pulls out Tejas. Then it acquires three, Shabda, Sparsha, Rupa, and become Tejo Bhuta. Guru Tanmatra becomes Tejo Bhuta. Rasa Tanmatra becomes Jala with four properties. Gandha Tanmatra becomes Prithvi with five properties. Okay. Now, just as when Mahat and Buddhi, when Buddhi and Manas are born, here Nirvaya is born, this was the same. Similarly, when Panchabhutas are born, Prajapati is born. That's not right. Who is this Prajapati? This Prajapati is very, very great. He is also very great, but less than Hiranyagarha. Okay. What he does is, he takes his Panchabhutas and does, what does he do? I have told the name. Huh? What is the name? He does, he mixes everything. Huh? Panchikaram is done by him. Trivritkara. All of you tell me? Trivritkara, three. 1, 2, 3. In the first place, all these entire universe is, this Jada universe is God. And all the devatas will get their place. So Prajapati is the father of all devatas. Devatas are very grateful to him. Okay. And now, in this first Trivritkara, you have sun, you have rain, water, and you have Prithvi. These three mix together and you have plants. That is the second Trivritkara. Now plants, they are also attractive. Finally, human beings are not sun-produced. Okay. Because there are three, mainly oils. That is, Teyo. All the liquids. That is Rasam and all that. Fruit juice and all that. That is Jalatat. And all the harder part is the Prithvi. They mix together and produce this system. Otherwise, it's all clear. Now, the same process repeats backwards by doing Laya. Okay? Now understand. Right. The whole thing is created. At the time of Laya, what happens is, there will be too much of hot sun, unbearable. All animals and plants will die. Okay. And afterwards, it goes on pouring rain like anything. It doesn't stop at all. All this earth simply melts and mixes in the jar. And the suns and stars will be burning. That heat, everything becomes vapor and merges in Tejas. And Tejas gradually cools down and goes into Vayu. I'm sorry. I jumped. Oh, are the animals okay? Okay. And now, all these things, devatas are also killed. They are all dead. Panchabhutas remain. I'm sorry, I missed it. Panchabhutas remain.
But are not Panchabhutas Devatas in this?
No, Panchabhutas, Devatas, they will be, but they express themselves only here. Now separately as that. But the Devatas are there. In express form, they will come here only. Okay, now. After Laya, Prajapati expressed equal amount of time. Okay. What exactly is this time? How much it is? Those of you have notes you can write down. 71 and 3/7 Mahayuga is called one Mantra. I'll tell you. What is Mahayuga? Krita, Treta, Dvapara, Kali. If these four things happen, one cycle is over, then it becomes Mahayuga. If this happens 71 and 3/7 times, okay,